الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. صدق الله العظيم.
Kuwait, a home away from home. We pay homage to the country we dwell in by singing the Kuwait national anthem. Home is where the heart is. Let us salute our beautiful motherland and great nation, India, by singing the Indian national anthem. Kindly stand at attention. On the achievements of our institution in various fields.
Good evening, Mr. Abdullah Shamsuddin, the chief guest this evening, Dr. Luthra, Mr. and Mrs. Marwa, distinguished principals from various sister schools, distinguished guests from various other institutions, dear parents and children. Heavens do not send rains in floods, but in tiny drops. So is the case of success, which comes in small measures, and cumulative result is somewhat a bigger stride. Likewise is the success story of Indian Central School, which is going to complete 6 years of its existence on August 31st, 2000. I feel elated on reading the report of the school and in highlighting the new feathers in its cap. If I talk about its demographic growth, its strength has grown to nearly 2,000 students from 151 in 1994. It was initially up to class 8, to which classes 9, 10, 11 and 12 were added in successive years. Four batches of the students have appeared for Class 10 CBSE board examination from March 1997 to March 2000, and two batches have appeared for senior school certificate examination in science and commerce streams. Although we have been getting 100% results besides getting high ratio of A grades from the beginning, but a real dent was made last year when Vicky Jason Toro, a 10th class student of our last year's batch, got 94% marks in boards, which is not only the highest among all the Indian schools in Kuwait, but he was declared the second highest in the Gulf region as well. Elizabeth Clarence, trailing behind him, got 90% in aggregate, and Vivin Vijay was awarded merit certificate for securing 99% marks in science. Vicky Jason was rewarded by Air India and Indian Overseas Congress in a big way. In class 12, our first batch passed out in flying colors. BJ Susan Thomas proved herself the ace of the lot through her highest scores in science, entering the roll of honor with 81%. Gavin Sean Nazirat set standards to 74% in aggregate in commerce section. Details of the results have been given in the third issue of our newsletter, and this year we are hopeful of still better results. Out of 43 students who appeared in March 1999 in senior school certificate examination, 3 are doing BBA in various universities of USA, 1 is doing MBBS from Manipal, 3 are pursuing BDS, 1 is doing computer engineering in India, 4 have joined BPT, 5 have joined mass communication and information technology, 6 are doing BCom, and 2 have taken BSc physics. Besides excelling in boards, which reflects the performance of classes 10th and 12th, children in other classes too have set records in other competitive examinations, like in the 30th Worldwide UN Annual Information Test certificate. 350 students appeared from classes 5 to 9, out of which 113 students got above 75%, and 4 of them topped in the Gulf region with 96% marks, who will be awarded their certificates and trophies today. Olympiad examinations in physics, chemistry and mathematics organized by the Gulf Council have become a regular feature of the school. Here also our students brought laurels through their distinctive performance. In Maths Olympiad, Jagdish Pachpaya of class 10 has been awarded the Certificate of Honor for being among the top 3% of the successful candidates. Faiza Ali Chairia, Chris Hip, Vijay Varghese, Cristobal Pinto have been awarded certificates of distinction. Nearly 12 students were given the certificates of credit. In Chemistry Olympiad, our students got distinctions, which is creditable indeed. Physics Olympiad results are awaited still. A big number of the students appeared in South Wales International Examination. 60% of the total number of the students appeared got distinction, 20% high distinction, and Pradap Telang of class 4 received gold medal for the highest score in mathematics. In the field of sports, we have dug new grounds. Ajish Matthew, Shahid Karim, and Asif Ahmed represented Kuwait for cricket against Pakistan under 19 category. Asif was the highest scorer and Ajish was declared the best fielder. Indian Central School bagged the 4 championship trophies in inter-school badminton and won the inter-school badminton trophy. ICS was the 3rd in under 19 inter-school basketball in inter-school cluster meet. Neil Anthony went up to the national level in CBSE meet for long jump and stood 4th at the national level. ICS is always bubbling with cultural activities. This schedule of activities is followed as per the order in the school.
chief guest, Mr. Abdullah Shamsuddin, Manager, Private Education Ministry, Kuwait, to come onto the stage and honor us by distributing the awards.
There is a stark difference between achievement and success. Achievement is the knowledge that you have done your best. Success is being praised by others, and that's important too. For acknowledging something well done gives inspiration to excel further. On this occasion, we have chance to appreciate achievement. We will begin with the Marwa Prize for Sports and Academics, which has been instituted by Pravesh Marwa in memory of his late father, C.L. Marwa, who took great pride in encouraging diligent and ambitious students. B.G. Susan Thomas, for securing the highest score in Class 12 Science stream in the year 1998-99. Our former head girl, she displayed a keen sense of responsibility and acumen that placed her above her peers. I request her sister to come and take the cup on her behalf. Gavin Nasrith. Gavin Nasrith, for securing the highest score in Class 12 Commerce stream in the year 1998-99. He was regarded by his teachers for his perseverance and disciplined approach to studies. Vicky Chaura scored 94% in the Class 10 CBSE exam 1998-99, the highest in Kuwait and second highest in the Gulf region. We are proud of you, and it's a fervent hope that you will successfully accomplish the challenging tasks that lie ahead of you. Elizabeth Clarence scored 91% in the Class 10 CBSE exam 1998-99. She stood second in the school. A hardworking and determined student. We wish you all the best. Zenis Baluja, outstanding performance in cultural activities. She's a good orator and is currently holding the post of head girl of the school. Asif Ahmed, inter-school cricket champion. He has a record of scoring the most number of centuries in schoolboys cricket. He is the only boy to complete 1,000 runs and has a record of scoring the most number of runs in one innings, that is 175 not out. Ajish Matthew, inter-school cricket champion, a remarkable student in the field of sports. He is a member of the Kuwait under-19 cricket team. He has a record of 162 not out in under-15 boys cricket. He is an excellent fielder and was judged the best fielder in the recently concluded match against Pakistan. Shahid Karim, inter-school cricket champion, captain of Indian Central School cricket team. It is under his captaincy that the school won the runners-up trophy of the British Petroleum Cup. Sonali Rao, inter-school badminton champion. She is a school sports captain last year. She has shown remarkable skill in inter-school badminton and has won all the games in the inter-school tournaments. She has also won a bronze medal in the 400 to 400 meters relay in the CBSE cluster meet. The Council of CBSE affiliated schools in the Gulf conducted the Gulf Mathematics Olympiad 2000 in the intermediate level. I call upon Jagadish Pichapu. He is one of the top scorers. He is awarded a certificate of honor for his excellent performance. The following students have also scored distinction. Cristobal Pinto, Vijan Varghese, Faiza Ali, Chrissy Flavia Fernandez, Alvin Ponelli,
Elaine Jacob, Tessie Anthony, Princey Thomas, Amir Shams, Mariam Joseph Panikkar, UN Information Test conducted by the United Schools International in October 1999 in celebration of the UN Day. The recipients of these certificates are Mamta Charlie, Vidya Panikkar. Vidya Panikkar is also awarded a special prize for outstanding performance in the weekly test. She bagged 15 certificates for securing 100% marks in each of these tests. Next we have Ashwati Pillai for outstanding performance in cultural activities. She is a classical dancer and has made a mark in Bharatanatyam and Mohiniyattam. Thank you, sir.
We are indeed honored to have amidst us our honorable chief guest, Mr. Abdullah Shamsuddin. We request you, sir, to come onto the stage and motivate and inspire us with a few words.
In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good evening, all of you. This is Asha Sharma, the principal of school, chief guest, principal of Indian school, staff of the school, parents, our students in Central Indian School. I'd like to thank Central Indian School for invitation. The open day of senior students in this school. I know this school for a long time is one of the best schools in Kuwait. As Ms. Sharma mentioned in her speech, that the school cannot do anything without the help and cooperation of the community. And the community are the parents who participate in all activities in the school. School itself, they cannot do anything without your help, your cooperation with the schools. I enjoyed the results that the Central Indian School achieved during this year and recent years.
Indian Central School has made a dent in the field of academics and sports within a short span of 5 years of its existence. Hard work and God's blessings have helped us achieve this uphill task. The Indian Central School Choir narrates the story of our growth and development in this song. released the 5th issue of Quintessence. Let me acquaint you with Dr. Luthra and her accomplishments. Dr. Luthra is a teacher and investigative pathologist of international repute and researcher of over 30 years standing. She is a member of several national and international scientific societies and academies. She has published 186 publications, national and international, 4 monographs and 1 book on pathology, cytology and cancer research. She is a recipient of over 20 national and international awards, including the Padma Shri Award by the President of India for outstanding contribution in the field of cancer research in 1992. She was awarded Woman of the Year in 1997 by the International Board of Research of the American Biographical Institute, USA, for overall scientific achievements and dedication towards exemplary goals. India is a land of fantasy and dreams, color and variety. India's cultural diversity is legendary. Differences are always recognized and somehow always respected. But all these people share a special Indian identity that holds them together. Through this medley of dances, which is a fusion of the classical dances of India and the rhythmical flow step, we salute the splendid civilization that has been the creation of the people of this remarkable land. Please, friends, hold. I now call upon our head host, Dennis Balucha, to propose the vote of thanks to this wonderful audience.
A very good morning, evening, sorry. A very good evening to all of you. First and foremost, let me thank the Galaxy of Indonesia gathered here to grace this occasion. My special thanks to Dr. Usha Luthra for germinating and generating the honor of inspiration in us through his youth for green passion. My devout thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Abdullah Shamsuddin, and our charismatic sponsor, Mr. Shahaya, for gracing this occasion with their presence. My unending thanks to our chairman, Mr. Thomas Channing, for his ardent, officious, and zealous provision for the institution. Just as every drop of water, every grain of sand makes the mighty ocean, I thank every esteemed parent, every well-wisher assembled here in devoting their will of time for the success of this grand evening. Thanks a lot.